Question 9. How do plants that grow in desert regions adapt in order to survive? 4 marks. Okay, let's go through this. So we're talking about how do plants in desert regions adapt in order to survive. So we need to make sure we're thinking about what do plants need to adapt to. So in desert regions, plants need to adapt to limited rain. So if you were thinking about a plant that's maybe in a desert, you might think of a cactus. So a cactus doesn't necessarily have leaves, and that's really important. So we'll write that down just to start. So we've got no leaves. And this is important so that cactuses or plants can retain water, because it means they reduce the transpiration that occurs. So transpiration is a process that involves loss of water vapour through the stomata of plants or through leaves of plants. So this reduces to reduce transpiration. You could also write that they have spikes or that they have needles instead. So that's one thing that they do in order to contain water in an area of limited rainfall. They also have really thick stems. So fleshy, thick stems. And this is again so that they can store water in the stem. So when it rains, they can store water here, and it means that if it doesn't rain for a long time, they have this store that they can keep. So this is to retain or store water. So for 4 marks here, we have no leaves, and this reduces transpiration. Fleshy, thick stems, and this is to retain moisture or store water. Then you could say this helps plants adapt to limited rainfall. And one extra point you could mention is that they have a widespread root system so that they can absorb water from a wider area when it does rain. And that would give you the 4 marks.